You learned CAD, you practiced SolidWorks, you added AutoCAD to your resume, but still no interview calls. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone and you are not bad at engineering. In this video, I'll explain the real reason why mechanical engineers with CAD skills still don't get calls and what companies actually expect instead. So, most mechanical engineers believe that learning CAD software is the key to getting a design job. Unfortunately, that belief is incomplete. CAD is important, but CAD alone is not enough. Let me explain this from an industry perspective, not a college or coaching class perspective. Reason 1: CAD skill is not design skill. The first and biggest misunderstanding is this: CAD skill is not treated as design skill. Knowing how to model a part only means you know how to use software tools. Companies do not hire people just to click buttons. They hire design engineers, people who understand how a part will be manufactured, assembled, inspected, and used. If your skill stops at creating a nice looking 3D model, your value in industry is very limited. Reason number 2: industry works on drawings, not 3D models. This is something many engineers realize very late. Manufacturing does not work on your 3D model. Manufacturing works on engineering drawings. If you don't know dimensions, tolerances, nodes, surface finish, and revision control, your CAD knowledge cannot be used on the shop floor. From a recruiter's point of view, this means risk, and risky profiles don't get interview calls. Reason number 3: most CAD resumes all look the same. Another major issue is resumes. Almost every mechanical resume today says the same thing: good knowledge of SolidWorks, completed AutoCAD course, familiar with Creo. When everyone writes the same thing, no one stands out. Recruiters do not want to know what software you touched. They want to know what responsibility you handled. If your resume does not clearly show engineering work, it gets skipped. Reason number 4: no understanding of industry workflow. Most mechanical engineers are never taught how design fits into the full industry workflow. Industry design includes BOMs, standards, revisions, approvals, supplier feedback, and cost awareness. But most profiles only show clean 3D models, no drawings, no revisions, no context. To a company, this signals that the candidate is not industry ready yet. Reason number 5: CAD is no longer a special skill. Yes, this is the hard truth. CAD is no longer a special skill. Almost every mechanical engineer today knows some level of AutoCAD or SolidWorks. So CAD has become a basic requirement, not a differentiator. What differentiates candidates is engineering thinking, not software familiarity. So you will now ask the question: what actually gets interview calls? So what actually works? Engineers who understand drawings, not just models. Engineers who think about tolerances, manufacturability, and cost. Engineers who check their own work instead of waiting for feedback. Engineer who can explain why a design decision was taken. When this mindset reflects in your resume and portfolio, interview calls start coming. I'll give you a practical advice from my own experience. If you already know CAD, don't throw that effort away. Instead, build on top of it. Learn how to create proper manufacturing drawings, learn how to self-check your designs, learn basic standards and industry expectation. That upgrade, my friend, is what converts CAD knowledge into a real career skill. So, if you are struggling despite knowing CAD, the problem is not your intelligence or efforts. The problem is incomplete preparation. On this channel, I share real industry focused CAD and design knowledge. No motivation, no shortcuts. If this video helped you understand the reality, subscribe and stay connected. In the next video, I'll show exactly how to bridge this gap step by step.